Hey guys, it's Michelle and I am back today with 3 new plates from UberChic Beauty. One of these is a must-have, and I am very careful about what I say is a must-have. I don't say it very often. I think if you have any of the UberChic Beauty holiday plates, what I'm about to show you is a must-have. But let's start with this one. This is the Flourishes and Ornaments plate, and this gives you fun, pretty little, my kitty's saying hi, fun, pretty little flourishes of all kinds to go with any of your manicures. So let's take a look. These are awesome little flourishes of all sorts, flowers and flounces and all kinds of fun things that'll go with pretty much anything and liven up any mani that you want. You can use them on their own. You've got some corners, all kinds of stuff. Oh, love that. You can use them in addition, add them to other manicures that you're doing. Other stuff like these actually look like cool steampunk dials, not dials, but like hands on a clock. Love it. So you can add these to other things that you're doing or use them on their own. Use them as background behind other things. Just jazz stuff up, or, you know, like just little accent nails. So I love this. Super glad to be able to play around with this plate. Love the crown. All right, and then of course they also came out with a holiday plate, Jingle All the Way. So let's take a look at this layering plate for your sweaters, your holiday sweaters. Gorgeous, a bunch of snowflakes, mittens, presents. You've got a bunch of little stuff. Hey, don't these look like they'd be cool if they were layering images? A little Santa Claus, little elf. Oh my gosh, that reindeer is so cute. And if you have the other plates, you'll know that that reindeer matches some of the other reindeers she has. The kitty and the bear, I love it. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. And then we've got layering pine cones, which I just love. So you can like put snow on them or make them look silver. Some poinsettias. You've got some trees that you can layer over a bunch of stuff. Like, you've got your little layering trees, so you can like put your snow on your trees. I think that's cool. Oh, little deer. Oh, and there's like cocoa and oh, this is cute with the tree in there. And you got your snowfall. So you can add snow to anything. Love that. Cute little bow, some candy canes, gangsta wrapper. That's not no. Bad pun alert. Bad pun alert. Have a cup of cheer. All kinds of fun little sayings. Official cookie taster, and then you've got your cookie that you can make kind of any kind you want. Looks like a chocolate chip cookie to me, I'm not gonna lie. Some ornaments, that's nice because, oh, and look however many days you could till Christmas, so you could do like this, like you could do this every day or have a different nail for every day. Naughty, nice, good enough to get polished. Yeah, that's like my squad goals. I like that. That works for me. Okay, so that's cool. A lot of new fun stuff, but here is the amazing thing. All right, this is the Christmas companion layering plate. So what this is this is a plate that for all of her previous Christmas plates takes images that were not previously layering images and turns them into layering images. Oh my gosh. Okay, so she's even got some for this one, Jingle All the Way, the one that's coming out just now. So let's take a little look here. So it tells you what it is, Santa sack, bottom, middle. So let's take a look at what we've got. Okay, so that is for this one right here. So you can see she gives you, so you can have your presents one color and your Santa sack another color. And then for your snowman over here, so you can do your snowman like if you want it white, and then you can have your scarf and your hat in a different color. Super cute. So these ornaments here, you can do your different colors, so you can have a 3-color ornaments right there. Up here, this one is for your mittens, this one is for your presents, so you can get those all different colors. How cool is that? Okay, so then you go back, oh, and I missed these, sorry, these 3 right here. So the Santa, there's the layering stuff for him, the candle right there, and the elf layering stuff right there for them. All right, so now you go back to previous year's plates. Okay, so Holly Jolly Christmas '02. Mine says Christmas '02 because I had it from back in the day. So this is your little reindeer face right there, so you can give your reindeer a little different face. And then here's your little gingerbread man, so you can have your give your gingerbread man a little background there. Get his color without having to actually like lead light it. Let me try to get rid of this light here. See if we can still see. So this one here is the background for these ornaments, so you can get those different colors if you want. And then this one right here is the small penguin, and the small penguin is over here on this plate. So you see you can put all the different colors on the penguin on in there. How adorable is that? Okay, so then this one is Holiday Spirit, which is Christmas 01. Let me grab Christmas 01 here. There we go. And this one has a bunch of them. So I love that this string of lights, now you don't have to go in and individually color them. You can stamp this and boom, you've got your lights there. That's super cool. Your mittens. I love this little ornament, this 3-tier ornament one that she's given you a background for that. So basically what this is doing is it's taking a whole bunch of these images that you have on these other plates, like this cute deer that matches the new one on the new plate, and giving them new life. So instead of having to go in and do reverse stamping or lead lighting or whatever, you can go ahead and use them as layering images. And I think that is such a great idea. I really hope that she does the same thing for the Halloween ones, because there's enough Halloween ones now. So I want that. Hopefully I'm going to get it. Okay, so Holiday Jingle is this one. And so this one right here is for this little tree right here, and then you've got your reindeer nose for this guy right here, your reindeer face and nose, and then your little bell right there. So there's just a couple that she was able to turn in on that one. But then last but not least, and this is the biggest one of all, this is Happy Christmas. And you can see again she's got the backgrounds for the lights, but she's got this cute little penguin guy where right here, all the little bits and parts of the cute little penguin guy, you can do all in different colors. She's got the fireplace up here, so if you don't want to go in those little spaces and try to reverse stamp that, you can just stamp this in all of these different colors. How cool is that? So much stuff. The snow globe here, she gives it so you can stamp the actual snow, and then the little house, and then the actual, you just stamp the globe over it. She's got the stuff for the stocking over here. So many images from this one. These presents up here, so they're in this kind of checkerboard. You can now do those little presents right with the stamp right there. How cool is that? This is such a stroke of brilliance. Please, 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 please let her be able to do this with the Halloween ones too. I would love to have this for those. This is so great. It's like giving new life to each of these old plates. Okay, so let me stop going off about it and let me actually do a couple of little test looks for you so you can see what I mean. I will be right back. Alright, so let's take a look at the test looks. This is, I did that multicolored sweater and I got the layering a little bit messed up, but you can still see how that pattern works together there. So that is on Jingle All the Way. And I wanted to test out the companion layering plate. So this is one of the ones that is on the companion layering plate, has the background, and then the foreground is on this new plate. And that came out beautifully, except for my little error. Lots of little errors tonight. I don't know what the deal was. And then I wanted to do this beautiful little winter scene. And so this is the layered trees with the snow, a couple of little deer, and then the falling snow over the top of it. And I think that's just so sweet. Love that so much. All right. Then just really quickly on the Flourishes plate, I just wanted to show you this is a simple look. You could do this like with silver over red for a holiday look, or I just wanted a kind of a dramatic contrast. And so that is actually these two on the Flourishes plate right there. And I'm going to have another flourish here on another plate for you, but back on this, the companions plate, I wanted to try at least one image from each of the Christmas plates. So this is the one I chose from the Holly Jolly plate, or Christmas 02. So the backgrounds are on the companion plate, and then this is on the actual plate. And you can see it fits beautifully. Love how that came out. Now this one is the look I did from Holiday Jingle. So again, the background of this is on the companion plate, and then the top stamp there is on the Holiday Jingle plate, and then these flourishes come from that flourish plate. So, you know, just to show you how you can kind of use those as background or as little accompaniments for your stamping. And then from the Happy Christmas plate, I wanted to stamp those lights, and so the background, the part that's in silver, is on the companion plate, and then the actual string is on the Happy Christmas plate. And then I think my favorite of all is this fireplace, which is super intricate, right? And hard to go in. If you're going in and you're reverse stamping that, you've got to be able to get in there with a small brush. And this, I was really impressed at how it all fit together really beautifully, even though, you know, it's not on the original plate, so she had to go back and redesign it. But I think that just looks so great together. How cute is that? Love it. Excellent quality on fitting these designs. And then last but not least, from the Holiday Spirit plate, which is the Christmas '01, I wanted to do that. I love the depth to that image. And that is that one right there. So again, the background, what the part I stamped in gold is on the companion plate, and then it goes together with this. So, and you can see, I mean, sometimes my stamping when I'm trying to layer, I drink a lot of caffeine, but look at how perfectly that fits. So these fit together really beautifully, really perfectly. Like I say, I don't say it often that something is a must-have. I feel like if you have any of the UberChic Beauty Christmas plates, especially if you have a number of them, you really do need to get this plate. I feel like it's a must-have. Another thing I should say is that all of these the black on here is UberChic Beauty's black stamping polish, and it is really great. So I used a clear layering stamper for this, totally, you know, the kind that are very finicky, and look at all those fine lines, and it picked it up beautifully. And then same thing, this is the white, the UberChic Beauty white stamping polish that doesn't want to focus there, but so that also is really good quality. I just wanted to mention that. All right, so grab that plate. I'm telling you, you will not be sorry, and thank you for watching.